Today's video is all about Canva's AI tool, Magic Expand. I'll show you what it can do and how to use it for your business. If this is your first time here, my name is Tracy, and I'm all about finding the easiest way to grow your business online. And if this is the type of videos you like, make sure to hit the subscribe button so I know to make more. Now, I've been in the online marketing business for many years, navigating the challenges, changes, and opportunities presented in this digital landscape. And I'm taking all that experience to show you where you should be focusing your energy and resources. Now, Canva's Magic Expand, I think is a good tool. If it is a pro feature, so if you do sign up for a Canva Pro account, you'll get this one. I also did a video on Magic Grab, which is here. That's also another pro feature. But I do think they really help a small business if you don't have the budget or resources to hire a agency or a in-house designer. Now, the reason I say that is sometimes you get these images that are perfect, but they're not perfect in the format. They're perfect in the imagery, but you need to expand them, make them fit. So what Magic Expand will do is we'll take your square photo and make it a rectangle, which is really good if you have something that's square and then you need a website banner, or you have a rectangle and you need it square. So it does different sizes seamlessly. And leave a comment below if you've ever been frustrated with having the perfect image but not being able to make it work with the format you want. So I'm going to just quickly show you how. It's super easy. You just grab your photo. You're going to click on the photo, click edit photo at the top, and Magic Studio will show up with a few options. You're going to click on Magic Expand. And now you can either resize it the way you'd like in free form. You can click on whole and it will reformat the image so that it takes up whatever size canvas you have set up, or you can choose one of the pre-formatted sizes like 1:1 or 9:16. You can just scroll through and pick the one you want and just click apply and it does its magic. So why will this be good for your business? Because Magic Expand will ensure that your images adapt to your design needs without sacrificing quality or content. But now your image can fit into any marketing material you need. One image can easily be used across different platforms without losing its integrity or its visual consistency. And if you want to see another Canva AI tool, check out this video. And if you want to stay in the know, make sure you subscribe to my newsletter. The link is in the video description box below. And thank you for watching. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share with your friends, and make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification button so you never miss one of my videos.